All right, we're here with Chuck from Premier Kites. Chuck, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
All right, so this is a new booth for us to see here today. Can you explain a little bit about Premier Kites?
Well, we were actually in the Nashville show and ended up being pretty good. It seemed like we were unique to the industry and recumbent bikes. So this is our second show that we've done with CycleCon.
Great, and so where are you guys located?
We are 2 hours east of Dayton, right on the Ohio River in a town called Portsmouth.
Oh, in Portsmouth, okay. I'm from Columbus, so I know what you're talking
2 hours
about.
Directly down 23.
That's okay, now we got that. All right, so Chuck, tell us about the line of these kites, and you call them kites, but maybe the spinners and flags that go on recumbents.
We started out in kites, of course, and do yard decor, and now we're into the bike flags and different, sizes and, a lot of different SKUs for anybody out there, can find something that they would like.
Now, so do you sell through a dealer network or direct or both?
Both. You can go online to premierkites.com, do it that way, or call into Premier Kites and sell to stores and stuff like that.
Okay, that sounds great. We'll take a little look at some of what you have here, and we appreciate you talking to us.
I appreciate you guys. Thank you.
Sure.